Now let's look at the third type of the problem. Now in type 3, you'll always end up with a diagram like this. Now remember, in every type, the triangle may be oriented any which way, right? So here you can see that D is this side. It could be flipped to the left. It could have been upside down. So it could have been oriented any which way, but the basic concept still stays. So here we have a particular height and you're looking at two objects, C and D, and you're finding that the angle of elevations are alpha and beta. It could also be that they have given angles of depression, right? So in which case, this would have been the horizontal. This would have been alpha, the angle of depression, and that would have become equal to the angle of elevation. And the other angle of depression would have been beta, and that would have become equal to this angle. Okay. Either way, you end up with a triangle like this. Now, what are the quantities involved? Alpha, beta, then A. A now is the distance between C and D, and H is the height. And we just take this distance as X, which will generally be eliminated. X will normally be eliminated both in type 2 and type 3. So, how do we solve this? The swiftest way to do it is again to take cot. Take cot beta. Now, what is cot beta? X by H. Rearrange and you get X is equal to H cot beta. Perhaps the only thing which I have done differently is found cot beta first instead of cot alpha. Not that it makes a big difference. So here also cot alpha, cot beta have to be found and we have to solve them. Now what is cot alpha? Adjacent here now is A plus X by H. Again rearrange it and you'll get A plus X is equal to H cot alpha. Now if you just subtract maybe the first equation from the second, you will start getting the values. So that's all you have to do. Frame these two equations, start solving, you'll get the answer. Now remember one thing, although I have categorized most of the problems as type 1, type 2, type 3, they can be a totally different type which doesn't exist within this. So do not think that these three types are all that is there. Okay? This is just convenient when you're studying for an exam. That's all. Alright?